Get up from your massage feeling a little drunk and discombobulated? Or forgot your keys but didn't realize it until you tried to open your car door with your lipstick? Yep, that happened to someone. This is Estelle, and today I'm going to break down what is happening to you when that happens and why it's a good thing. Hey Nova, what's up? Oh, don't worry. They know to like, follow, and subscribe. Everyone wants to empower their healing. I've been a massage therapist for over 10 years now, and I have seen people put their clothes on inside out. Yes, sometimes all of their clothes, even their socks. I have seen people walk out without their purse, wallet, and or keys. I have seen people try to walk through the closed door or stand in front of an open door like the door was closed. It is extremely common. But why? When you get a massage, it activates your entire brain. That's right. That is why infant massage helps with neurological development. During the massage, chemically speaking, your brain is being flooded with serotonin, dopamine, endorphins, and oxytocin. Not only does this help rebalance your brain chemistry, but it can do things like cause a drunk feeling or feeling out of it, make it harder to turn short term memory into long term memory, reduce stress, reduce depression and anxiety. You can reduce this effect by taking a minute on the table to just breathe and rebalance. Keep your eyes closed while you do that. Then take like 30 seconds to a minute to stand up. Once you're dressed, do a quick room check. And of course, drinking water helps. Thank you so much for watching. Comment below if you have any questions.